flags up on a traffic camera, we'll pull them over.
But if you're driving...
Exactly, mate. So now I'm basically on the run from myself.
Yeah, and if they pull over, they're like, and you have to go, it's me, the original.
No, but that's what the person would say. And they were like, has your car got any distinctive features? Like a sticker in the back window.
So, have you driven the car? Have you been pulled over? What's happened so far?
I haven't been pulled over yet, but I feel like I'm on the run.
Yeah, that is quite stressful, isn't it? Every time you see a police, you feel...
I told them I've got 2 children's car seats in the back.
Why do I need to indicate? I'm going straight.
That's every car, isn't it? That's every family car.
When I was thinking they're stealing it at night, I was thinking,